Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video we will be discussing the Ethereum price action, where we have been seeing a perfect retest here of the $1,724 like discussed yesterday in the stream. As well, we will be talking about the inverse head and shoulders that right now is playing out here on the 1 hourly time frame. We will be as well talking a little bit about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. And of course, we will be talking about the bigger picture of Ethereum. Is the logarithmic chart still on track, or are we lagging behind, guys? That is a thing that I will be discussing as well in this video. So make sure to stick till the end here. And of course, if you're an Ethereum holder, I should just highly suggest watching this video because it is going to contain a lot of valuable information. So with that have been said, guys, make sure to smash up the likes and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let's go right away into the video. So guys, what have we been seeing with Ethereum? So yesterday we were doing a stream. Well, we were seeing, of course, a very significant drop-off in Bitcoin. And we were, of course, standing up this Fibonacci from the bear market low to the swing high. And we were seeing a perfect retracement towards the 0.618 here. So the 0.618 is a beautiful level of support. And you can see it has been providing as well already a very significant bounce of an approximately 20% towards the upside. I personally set up my level around the $1,724 as a buying order. So yeah, I already make very well gains from it. And of course, we have been seeing it in the past as well, that it has been providing us several times very well support. So I'm very glad that we had this retest, and of course that I was having the opportunity to accumulate it. And of course, yesterday in the stream we were giving you guys as well the signal that you can be accumulating some Ethereum. So yeah, if we're discussing the charts here, I mean, if we're looking to the MACD, we can see that we are once again starting a minor downtrend here on the MACD, and as well that we have been seeing a bearish crossover. So yeah, the momentum is definitely not extremely strong right now, and mainly because I should definitely wait till the options are going to expire on this Friday. As well, the daily candles still have been forming lower highs with as well lower lows, signifying that we're clearly in a downtrend. So that's also quite a bearish signal that we're still having. But if we're going to zoom in a little bit into the lower time frames, guys, you can see over here, yeah, we are forming a very beautiful inverse head and shoulders, and this inverse head and shoulders has a very nice potential to push up prices even further than we are right now trading on. So as you already probably know, today Ethereum took some territory back from Bitcoin. It was falling further, but while retracing towards higher levels, it also retraced very quickly, more quickly than Bitcoin. So it has an approximate price target on 13% move here, trading on the $2,100 and 80 US dollars. So for now on, we have been seeing a 3% move on approximately, and in total it was a 6% move here. Personally, I mean, if we're going to see a retest of this level, this will be still a quite bullish retest, not a bearish retest. It will be definitely still have a good it will be, of course, resulting still in higher prices in my opinion, because it will be adding more fuel towards Ethereum if we're going to see a retest of such a significant resistance target. Potentially we can also already increase from here on, but yeah, I would be expecting some higher prices getting reached here. But of course, don't take a trade right here. Only take trades here while having, of course, a perfect retest, because we know as well that these boys from the options expiration on this Friday can be still having a lot of influence to push prices lower. So that is, of course, very important to know. But yeah, we are looking pretty good, and we are on track, of course, on reaching our price target, and we are still approximately another 10% away from reaching it. So yeah, still much more gains to be made here. But I right now want to be talking a little bit in this video about how are we looking. Are we still on schedule? Are we looking good for Ethereum? And have we been seeing some similarities with the previous run-ups? So guys, I was looking to the past, and I've been seeing some very interesting things here, because yeah, if we're looking to the chart over here, you can see over here we set the Fibonacci from the bear market low to the swing high, and you of course retrace towards the 0.618. And then I see something very interesting, because if we are doing the exact same over here, so we're using the Fibonacci tool here to we are selecting the bear market low here in 2016, and we selected the high here in 2017, where we were not topping out yet, because I think we were having the exact same. We retraced approximately towards levels around the 0.618 here. You can see 0.618 retracement is what we are going towards. So this is a perfect retest, and literally what we are right now having, guys, if you're going to go back towards the run-up where we're right now trading, and then we'll be going a little bit more in depth about it as well here, you can see as well 0.618 perfect retest of this level. So yeah, we have been seeing it several times there, that we're retracing in the Fibonacci from reaching the swing low towards swing high towards the 0.618 is a very common and very healthy retracement level to, of course, after that continue higher. So that is also one of these reasons why I have been saying, okay, that $1,720 US is a massive good accumulation level for Ethereum. So as well, after, of course, retesting this level, it took several weeks here till we're breaking above it level, above the previous high here. You can see it creates some kind of an ascending triangle over here. But of course, since having that touch of the 0.618 here 2 times here, what we are right now seeing as well, we went of course towards higher levels. So this is of course a very, very bullish signal for me, and this is of course as well giving me a confirmation. Okay, guys, we can be looking particularly good here, and you can see it over here. While selecting the bear market low from Ethereum right now to the high over here, you can see we have been as well seeing this perfect retest of the 0.618 once again. So is this a bad time to accumulate, or is this a good time to accumulate? If we're looking at the historical price action, guys, this is, yeah, generally speaking, a very good time to accumulate. And yeah, I should definitely not hesitate to do so around these levels. And it will be most likely taking several weeks before seeing, of course, a new automatic getting created. For instance, over here, since touching this level, it took us another 126 days here in order, of course, to break through here. So if we're going to see once again the exact same 126 days here, it's going to be approximately the 25th of October that we're going to see a new automatic getting created for Ethereum, and it will be a very likely and very logical timing to, of course, maybe potentially break through the automatic. So there can be a lot of consolidation going around here before we're going to break out. But well, we're going to reach levels towards October. We're potentially going to see a new automatic if we're going to, of course, exactly repeat what we did before. So yeah, it looks quite interesting, and I definitely think it's very important to look at this because as well, this is an historical chart that's right now playing out exactly the same like the past, and it is giving us once again exactly the same opportunity. And as well, we are seeing, of course, if we're looking to the on-chain data, we're seeing the addresses with people that are holding more than 10k Ethereum sitting at an all-time high. And as well, right now, instead of 2017, we're seeing Ethereum 2.0 getting, slowly but steadily rolling out here. And there's more and more speculation coming, a positive speculation coming towards Ethereum. Why I do think there will be way more hype getting created with Ethereum. And that's as well a reason why we're right now seeing, of course, the number of addresses with more than 10k Ethereum increasing so significantly here on the Glassnode chart here. So yeah, personally, I definitely don't think it's over. Personally, I definitely think we're just getting started, and you don't want to be missing out on these opportunities because this is going to be huge here. And yeah, you can see it once again here. The pause is as well giving us a good buying opportunity. But let me then as well talk a little bit about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. What have we been seeing over here? Because I do think still the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is one of the most important valuations that you have been looking at. And we have been, of course, looking at this ascending broadening wedge over here. And since seeing the breakout, of course, we absolutely shoot parabolic. And right now we ran into some horizontal resistance over here, and we are cooling off for a second. So can we be potentially, of course, go towards a retracement on these levels to, of course, in the end of the day, continue higher? For sure, that's possible. And we have been already seeing a downtrend in terms of highs getting created and as well in terms of lows. So we have been steadily setting lower lows with lower highs, signifying that we're clearly in a downtrend in the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. So yeah, for now on, I should definitely say, is Bitcoin a better buy right now? Yes, it looks like, but of course, for sure, we're looking to have a bounce anytime soon here, and I'm still accumulating Ethereum because I think Ethereum is pretty cheap right now, and I'm not willing to miss out on Ethereum because it can be absolutely exploding anytime soon here. And yeah, like you see in the chart, we maybe have another 120 days approximately, but I will be using every single day here to accumulate more and more Ethereum. So it's going to be quite exciting. And as well, if we're going to approach it, if we're going to look at Ethereum compared to Bitcoin from the point that we're already trading at towards the previous bull market high, guys, this will be indicating another 214% increasement towards the previous high over here in terms of the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. So yeah, Ethereum has way more room to grow here, and the more and more I look at it, the more excited I get here. And as well, I mean, yeah, for the immediate short term, we're looking to have a downtrend here. There can be potentially maybe a parallel channel getting created here, but I will be definitely looking for massive accumulation around the 0.5% of an Ethereum valuation compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, for sure, we'll be keeping you guys up to date. Today we have been flying back a little bit, ever so slightly. But as long as we are getting rejected by this level, I can't flip extremely bullish on Ethereum compared to Bitcoin and in the immediate short term. But this is a thing that I will be keeping you guys up to date for. So guys, this was a quick video about how Ethereum is right now looking for in the future. I definitely think we want to be extremely bullish on Ethereum right now, and we want to be, of course, benefiting from the market shakeout that we're right now getting here. Make sure to benefit from the discounts, and I am feeling extremely bullish on Ethereum, and I can guarantee you that we're going to see a new ultimate getting created this year. That is my personal opinion, and I for sure we will be all crushing the market all together. And you have been seeing it once again first on the channel, guys. Beautiful information from the past. I don't know if anyone already discussed this here on the internet, but you heard this first on the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching to this amazing video. Make sure to smash up the likes here, and of course, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Is this a good buying opportunity, or is this a bad buying opportunity? Let me know in the comment section. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.